A store has been added where you can purchase garment items from within the Marvelous Designer software. On the left side of the screen, there are the General and Store tabs. Select the Store tab to open the store. If Sign In is requested, sign in by entering the user ID and password registered on the Marvelous Designer website in the pop-up window, Company ID for enterprise licenses, and End User ID for personal licenses. Hover your mouse over an item to see its name and price. You can click the like icon on any items you like. You can search by entering keywords, or use the filter function to view only items in a desired category. You can sort items in a desired order using the Sort drop-down menu in the upper right corner. If you don't want to see items that you have already purchased, turn Don't Show Owned Items on. If you double-click an item, you can view more detailed information for the item on the Detail tab on the right. You can find the seller name under the item name. You can select the license type to purchase, and the description changes at the bottom depending on your license selection. Click the 3D Viewer button to view the item in 3D. If you'd like, you can change the rendering style of the item. You can also check the basic information and description of the item on the Detail tab. You can view the image of the item registered by the seller. Click the arrow icon on either side of the image, or select the page number at the bottom to navigate through additional images. After selecting a license for the item on the Detail page, click the Add to Cart button to add the item to your cart. You can also add items to your cart by hovering over an item in the list, clicking the cart icon, and selecting a license in the pop-up. Items in your cart can be checked in the Cart tab. You can check the total quantity and price of your items, and delete any items you don't want to purchase. Click the Checkout button to bring up the purchase page. Enter your purchase information and complete your purchase. Purchased products can be downloaded from the My Page tab of the store. When finished making purchases, go back to the General tab and load the purchased item for use in Marvelous Designer.